I'm curious from your perspective. I think many people are wondering, am I going to have a job? I- Is uh, is AI going to take over? Are there certain jobs that maybe you won't need as many people for, or even if we're using AI as a tool now, do you need less engineers? And maybe they are overseeing and checking that. What I don't know. What are your thoughts on that?
Mm, My thoughts are, um, I think there will be, in certain phases, less engineers required. No question about it. But I also see that as being um, solving a little bit of a problem. I mean, you know, they're no the only way to make more money in an engineering company is do something faster, which means that you need to do something with less people or less time, say. And that's why I think AI can solve that issue. I don't think it's going to be, I think, a number of years before AI gets good enough to where it's going to actually replace people. I think at the best case scenario, it's just that we're going to get better, sort of hopefully profitability, um, and and actually be adapting to the fact that, and I tell this to people, again, given how long we've been in the business, we do way more than we used to, and
Mhm.
way more, like two or three times more, I'm going to say. And our fees have really just incremented with inflation, not with the expectation of what we need to do today. Um, so I think it's really just solving some problems initially. Uh, Down the road, maybe it might sort of replace some of what the work that the 1 to 2 year engineers do. Um, but I almost see that as a positive because I don't see that typically that work, the very mundane, designing 1,000 beams for me or design 1,000 columns for me is is really necessary anymore.